Dubai, the ultimate hub for global business. But if you're running a company that operates internationally, you're probably asking one crucial question: does Airwallex work in Dubai and the UAE? It's an important detail, because managing money across borders, especially in a dynamic market like the United Arab Emirates, needs the right financial platform. The short answer is yes, Airwallex is making big moves in the UAE to support businesses. It's a very positive story of expansion. Airwallex has secured a significant regulatory milestone. They have received in-principle approval for stored value facilities and retail payment services licenses from the Central Bank of the UAE. This is huge, as it's the green light needed to offer a full suite of services locally. What this means for you is that Airwallex is actively preparing to launch and expand its local operations. Once fully operational, they will be offering the key financial solutions you need in Dubai. We're talking about multi-currency business accounts, global money transfers, payment acceptance solutions, and corporate cards. These are the tools that allow a global business to operate locally, saving you time and money on foreign exchange and high fees. For businesses that sell to customers in the UAE, Airwallex also enables you to collect payments in local currency, the UAE dirham or AED, and they've even partnered with local buy now pay later providers like Tabby to help boost your sales. So, while their local services are rolling out following regulatory approval, the direction is clear: Airwallex is committed to the UAE, making it a powerful platform for any business looking to connect with the Dubai market. It's a definite yes for future-proofing your business in the region.